I gotta say, as a holistic career coach, the type of clients I enjoy working with the most are the people who are kind of stuck. Now, it's not because I love to swim in the pool of misery, but because there is so much that can be done. The reason why they're often stuck is that because they don't know where to move. They know that something is wrong in the situation, but they don't have an exact idea of what job to go for, or maybe what country to move in, what type of company to work in. An exercise that I love to do with all of these people, and I did one yesterday, I did one today with another client, and right away I'm hearing their insights, and it's just amazing, is to take a step back from what you already know, because this is what your mind will already try to create, right? We create some stuff in our mind based on our past experience. Take it out. Just take a few breaths and visualize the environment you want to be in. Use the power of visualization. It doesn't have to be true. You don't even have to believe in visualization, because the worst thing that can happen is that you're going to be dreaming for 5 minutes, right? It's the worst that can happen, and you can just enjoy 5 minutes. Why not? Try it. For somebody, it might be visualizing the environment of an office that you want to work with. It can be overall visualizing what's going to be your lifestyle, if maybe your lifestyle is something where you're not feeling happy about, and connect the work part into it. What does it look like when you're going to the office? What does it look like? How do you feel when you enter the office? What's the type of environment in there? What are the type of people that you are talking there to? Try stuff like that. Once we're gonna get you to the place of embodying these types of feelings, you will suddenly see opportunities you didn't see before. And you might start engaging in certain conversation, you might start engaging with certain people, and then literally, I'm not even joking for you, magic happens. I see it all over again. I saw it with myself so many times. Every time when I implement something like that, just stick with it, visualize it a little bit, and enjoy the process. If you're stuck, that's okay, you can get unstuck. If you do feel like you need my guidance, for sure, let me know. I do currently have a few open spots for private coaching. So we can do this together for 3 months, or we can create a program specific for you. Just let me know, and at least right now, try this for a week, every morning, 5 minutes, take it for yourself.